This video is about the Aquatica Waterpark on the Greek island of Kos, located just outside the Portobello Hotel. However, the sign outside the waterpark calls it Splash World. It operates between the months of May to October and is open between 10:30 am until 5:30 pm. During low season, it may close during the week. It costs €16 entry for adults, €12 for children, but is free for children under 120 centimeters. It's also free for anyone staying at the Portobello Beach Hotel. However, you do have to pay if you're staying at the Portobello Royal. Drink and food are not included in the cost, however there is a cafe on site. To rent a towel, it's €3 per towel, however you'll get €2 back when you return it. To use a locker, it will cost you €2. If your child is under 120 centimeters, they can only go on Aqua Playground, Lazy River and the swimming pool. The Aqua Playground has a water depth of only 0.2 meters, which is only 7 inches deep. The Lazy River has a water depth of 0.6 meters, which is 1 foot 11 inches. You get a rubber ring that you can sit in, which will float you along. The swimming pool is 1.3 meters, which is 4 foot 2 inches deep. There will be a lifeguard at each location. Next, we're going to talk about the slides. However, there will be a weight limit for some of the slides. However, do not despair, as they will not make you stand on any scales to check your weight. Let's talk about the wave ride. You have to walk to the top of the stairs with a 2-person rubber ring, and it will require 2 people to ride it. This one is not designed for children. It has a minimum combined weight of 100 kilograms, which is 15 stone and 10 pounds. It has a maximum combined weight of 200 kilograms, which is 31 stone and 6 pounds. However, there can only be a maximum weight difference of 30 kilograms, which is 4 stone and 10 pounds. The spin bowl is also located at the top of the stairs. There is no minimum weight limit and it allows children to ride on this one. It has a maximum combined weight of 200 kilograms, which is 31 stone and 6 pounds. It has a maximum weight difference of 30 kilograms, which is 4 stone and 10 pounds, and the water depth at the end of this ride is 1.2 meters deep, which is 3 feet and 11 inches. Next is the kite slide. There is no minimum weight and it allows children to ride on this one. It has a maximum combined weight of 200 kilograms, which is 31 stone and 6 pounds. It has a maximum weight difference of 30 kilograms, which is 4 stone and 10 pounds. The water depth at the end of this ride is 1.2 meters deep, which is 3 feet and 11 inches. Next is Hydro Tube 1400. There is no weight limit for this slide. Children can ride this one, but the water depth at the end is 1.2 meters deep, which is 3 feet 11 inches. And then we have the big 3 slides at the end. The first one is multi-track. It has no weight limit and the water depth is only 0.2 meters deep, which is 7.8 inches. And then there is Kamikaze and Freefall. There is no weight limit for these slides. Children can ride both of these. The water depth at the end of the ride is 1.2 meters, which is 3 feet and 11 inches.